Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing very well. In the last lesson, we learned how to fetch the information of the cast of the movie and populate it here as you can see. Today lesson, although I said in the last lesson this image will be like a homework, I decided to go ahead and do it so you can see it. So this like review. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the images. First of all, we have the images here, okay, and see what we have to do. Clearly here and here, and let's alright, so we need this later. So let's so this the images here. So we have 1 2 3. So let's delete all of these and have one image. Alright, cool. So we have one image, so we need to loop through this. So it's little bit, we don't need to make an item, or you can make item like what we have done here, but I will do this immediately using for. And let's go to the movie and let's go to the postman as well and see images here. So we have images, okay, and inside the images we have backdrops. So let's go ahead and see how we can do this. So drag the postman on the right side. Okay, so where is it? We have images, so we need to pass it here like what you have done here. So images, okay, equal to movie dot what dot images dot backdrops. Cool. So we have this now, the images. So this doesn't know anything about it, so let's define it props, and this will be required. Alright, cool. So I believe required is not defined. Required, let's see, spell it. Okay, so sorry guys, I forgot this. True. Alright, so required true. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead now and loop and use this bad boy. So we have here what we're going to loop through. So we have v4 image in the images, okay, and of course always when you make the for you need key. So what we have, the key, I believe we have ID. So let's see the postman ID. We don't have ID, but okay, that's completely fine. So let's use the index, okay. So image index, and so let's use the index here as a key. Cool. So let's see if it's correctly he bring the images. So let's see postman, where is the image? So it's file, but the same what we have done in the movie and in the cast as well. So this is the image, okay. So let's take the images here, and because we need to make some manipulation that we have done here, okay, so let's pick this one, okay. As I mentioned, this is supposed to be homework, but I decided to make it in the video you can see it. So and this will be movie image, and this will be movie or images or image, sorry, okay. So what he cast is not defined. Yeah, it's not defined. Let's see, postman file bat. So image dot file bat. Cool. So let's call this now what we have here. So we need to make it dynamic, so we have to use this to tell view that this bindable. Alright, so what we have, movies, and what we want to call, let's grab the image here and see. So what we have, show us all is not, yes. So let's go. Cool. So we have it here, as we can see all the images of the movie. if no image will be the placeholder. So the similar to the last lesson. Cool. And we have here what we have name. Okay, so let's grab this as well, which will be so images and aspect. I can't see name here. Okay, there is no name here actually, because so let's delete it. Just only images, because no point making name. Okay, and let's do some margin, top maybe 1. Cool. So we have it here. Very nice, very nice. Blah, blah, blah. So let's see what we want to. Okay, let's do this as well. So let's go back. This, where is it? So in the movie we have this like feature. Alright, so we have blah blah blah. We have this and this. So what we want to, this we want to loop. So let's see the postman here. I believe it's crew. Yeah, so it's inside the movie, inside credit. Okay, movie credit. Okay, so that's, we don't need this one. We need to loop through. So this should be 1. Yep. Let's loop through. We can duplicate this. Let's see what we have. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So what we have here is v4, or we can make it here. Okay, let's make it like this, v4, and we have loop, so will be a crew in movie dot credit dot crew, sorry, credit dot crew. Okay, so we have it here. Of course we need the index as usual, so index, and let's use the index here. Key will be, and what else, the index blah blah blah, the crew. Okay, we will use it, don't worry now. Alright, cool. It show a lot, but I don't want to show this all of them. Okay, so let's show just the only okay, so let's grab this in the div, and let's do this vf. This is the power of the Vue.js. So index just less than 2. I just need 2 here. I don't need the whole story. Okay, so what we have here, but we have issue, little bit issue. So let's see this. Okay, we'll fix this in a little bit, but let's show the name now. Okay, so what the name, let's see, postman, the name blah blah blah. So we have crew, so name, yeah, so this will be the name, and this will be department blah blah blah, known for original name. So what we have to do, job, yeah, let's grab the job here and see what we have to do. So job dot or crew dot job. Okay, so because we have here this, the line here, new div, so this missed the column here. Okay, so what we have to do is very simple. Let's grab this here and try to do this. Alright, cool, it's fixed. So this dynamic now, very cool stuff. Alright, very cool. So all dynamic. One thing I want to show you guys is if I go to the console, I will find some error here. It's not so error, crew is not defined. I will tell you why this issue happened, and let's see how we can solve this. Because in the here we access the crew. Okay, initially we didn't initialize this with empty as we have done in the movie, empty. So we need to initialize the other as well. So here what we're going to do is to create like this, initialize all of them. So we have a credit Okay, inside the credit we have a crew. Okay, initialize it like this. Okay, as well we have images, initialize it like this. We have, I believe it's backdrops or something. Yes, I will grab it from the postman like this. So this will solve the issue. Okay, so no other, no error, I believe, just clean. We need to clean and go here, clean, and alright, we have another error, blah blah blah, duplicate keys. So let's go to the cast here, and we use this ID. So let's use the index, cast index, and let's use this bad boy here, and this should be go away. Alright, cool. So our console is clear, except for this one. So don't worry about this, about the image, one image. So don't worry, we will solve this as well. So okay, we have this, we have this. So let's see if we can click here, take us to the YouTube. Okay, so let's see how we can grab the YouTube. So if I go here and search for videos and result, and this, the one has the YouTube unique ID. So let's try to grab this. Okay, so where is the play trailer? So this is the play trailer, and we need to set here. Okay, so it's YouTube, and this will be bindable. So YouTube video, and let's try to grab it. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead now, and should be computed. Okay, so come back here and let's see if we can grab. So this shows. Okay, and let's see what we have to do. So okay, we have YouTube video and we have the postman. So in movie.video.result, so let's try to return it. So movie dot videos dot result 0. We need the first one, okay, because we an array, and we have the ID. So let's grab the URL of YouTube. So I grab it here. So this will be plus this one and the key. All right, cool. So this, we have an error, movie is not defined. Okay, cool, we have it now. So let's see if we can, let's check if this work. Cool. So let's take us to the YouTube, but let's make it in a new page, you know, target and blank, I believe. Okay, yep, so we have it in YouTube here. And don't worry, in the next few lessons we're going to do the feature of page nation and model as well, so don't worry about it. So okay guys, you have it now. So we have the casters, we have the feature cast here, we have the images. So this video is like recap, because we have do similar to this in the last video. Let's try to make it bigger, blah blah blah. Very nice, very nice. All right guys, so don't worry, we will do the model, we will do the pagination in two different way. We will do the search, and in the next lesson we're going to do the model, how to show the model. When you click here, show the photo, click here, show the photo, and when you click in the play, show the model with the video as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. Thank you guys, bye.